So today this play with my doll has some playing snack. Playing snack.
Don't do that. That's a terrible snack.
Yeah.
McKenna, I love your hair.
Yeah. Thanks.
Hi, Jack.
Hi.
How are you, bud?
Good.
Good. We're going to wait a few more minutes and see what other friends come, and then we're going to do some science today.
Woohoo!
Whoa! Whoa! When the Easter eggs come on my dollhouse chair, and with Easter bunny, and the eggs were at here too, at there too, but it's not Easter anymore.
That's true. It's not going to be Easter again for a while, huh?
Yeah, we have to wait a whole another day.
Another
Another
year.
year. Good thing we have some good Easter memories from this year, huh?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Hi, Vasily.
I was here.
Say good morning, friends.
Good morning. Morning.
It's Vasily. Oh, Amy's here too. All right, we will give our friends about 2 more minutes. We might have a quiet Zoom today.
Hey, that's an A. Today I have school things and everything, and I got a frozen scooter by my backyard.
Awesome. I love Frozen. I have a Frozen scooter too.
But I cannot see it.
That's pretty cool. I have a Frozen scooter at my house too. True story.
Hey.
You have a Frozen scooter, Jack?
Okay.
It is Kennedy's. You're right. I don't ride on it. I'm too big.
You don't have a Frozen scooter?
Good morning, Miss Renee. Oh my goodness! What are you doing? All right. Let's see here. All right. Are you guys ready to talk about some science?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to switch to my other camera. I'm really fancy. I have 2 cameras now. I know. Pretty crazy, huh? And today we are going to talk about clouds. See, it says science. Sorry, I have a little bit of a cough today because the sun came out and it brought back my allergies. So I've got a little cough from being all stuffed up. So today says science, cloud in a jar. And we are going to make a cloud in this jar right here. But first, I thought I should read to you a little bit more about clouds so we know the science of this. So let's see here. I'm not going to read the whole book because it's kind of long. I picked some of my favorite pages for you. All right, so this one is about cloud collection. Does anybody know how clouds are made? Does anybody know what clouds are made of?
No.
No? Well, let's find out. This says, what are clouds made of? Water. Did you know that? They are made of millions of very tiny water drops or bits of frozen water called ice crystals that float together in the sky. And clouds come in many different shapes and sizes. Here's the 3 main kinds, and I'm going to make it a little bigger. So this one by number 1, those are called cirrus clouds. Have you ever seen clouds that are kind of stripy like that?
Those clouds?
No.
Those are cirrus clouds. Number 2, those are called stratus clouds. Those ones are usually kind of gray and huge. We saw a lot of those last week, didn't we? Because of the rain.
Yeah.
And the last one, these are my favorite ones. These ones, number 3, they're called cumulus clouds. What do they look like to you?
They look white.
They look white. I think they look like cotton candy. I like those ones. All right. Now, did you know that clouds are what brings the rain to all the plants and animals that need it?
Yeah.
Frogs and trees and tigers, everybody needs rain. So Rain happens when the water drops in a cloud bump into each other and they stick together, and when it gets too heavy to keep floating, it falls down like rain. And that's what we're going to see in our science experiment today. Look at that little frog. He likes the rain, doesn't he? He's playing, hiding under a leaf.
Oh, that's a rain one? A tiger!
Yeah, when it's cold enough, clouds can even bring snow. And look, I brought some snow to show you guys today. Pretty cool. Snow starts out as ice crystals in the cloud, and once the crystals fall, they stick together and it makes snowflakes. Did you know that?
Yeah, snowflakes falling down and so I put it on the sun and it goes down.
That's right.
No more.
Right. This says one kind of cloud piles up high in the sky, towering like a giant castle. These clouds create storms with pouring rain, wild winds, even lightning and thunder.
The animal.
And this is just some pictures of some really cool clouds, okay? Those are some bubble-shaped clouds that came from a really cool storm. Don't they look kind of like bubbles?
Yeah, they look kind of like bubbles.
And these ones, they're called saucer-shaped. They look kind of like bowls tipped upside down. Like if you turned your cereal bowl upside down. That's what it looks like. This one's my favorite one, though. That's a rainbow cloud.
Rainbow cloud.
Cool. Awesome. Sometimes we see light going through the clouds, right? If the cloud is blocking the sun, it might look like that. Okay. Or this one, what does that cloud look like?
A windy.
Yeah, it looks like a windy day. It reminds me of an ocean wave.
Yeah.
All right. If you could look at Earth, did you know this is Earth where we live?
Yeah.
If you could see it from outer space, you could see there's always clouds there. And this tells us
I always scared of the earth.
you're scared of it. You live on it, silly. You live on Earth. All right, did you know that clouds have a job? They actually have two jobs. It says during the daytime, clouds help block the sun's heat. It's a little cooler. And at nighttime, clouds work like a blanket. They help our Earth stay a little bit warmer. All right, so we should say thanks, clouds.
Thanks, clouds.
Okay. Clouds bring us the rain we live. They fill the sky with beauty. I mean, how boring would the world be if we didn't have clouds to look like that all the time?
That would be super boring.
It would be super boring. Say hi to Sylvia, you guys. You're on camera.
Hi.
All right, now we're going to do an experiment, and I'm going to have to twist my camera. There we go. So we are going to do a cloud in a jar, okay? And Miss Renee did this experiment with her circle time on YouTube last week. She stole my idea because I was planning to do it too. All right, so if you want to do this at home, you need a clear jar or glass, okay? And you're going to fill it up. You're going to fill it almost all the way up with water. My water's coming very slow, and it's spilling all over my desk. Can I get some paper towels, please? The water is definitely leaking, so we need to remember when you guys come back to school that we can't use this lid anymore.
And another cup.
All right. Now, I'm going to use shaving cream that gets really fluffy to do our experiment. If you don't have fluffy shaving cream, you can also do ice. Okay? So I'm going to shake it up a little bit. I'm going to make a whole office smell really good. Do you guys remember when you got to shave your daddies with shaving cream?
Yeah.
That was a pretty cool day, huh? And now, what did I make? What did I make on top of my water?
A cloud.
A cloud, a pretend cloud. Okay? And do you remember what the book said? What happens when too much water gets in the cloud?
It falls down, it rains.
It starts to rain. So I'm going to put some blue right there. And if you look, can you see it raining?
Yeah, it's raining.
That's how rain works. When I put just a tiny drop in,
No.
I'm trying pink now to see if the pink.
Oh, no.
Okay, hold on. We have.
But if I put some more in,
It's turning something.
Watch
do
me.
we have any pink rain yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, this is not a
Beautiful rain. I can say pink. Purple rain.
Turquoise. Who said purple rain? You know that's a song.
Yeah.
Purple rain, purple rain.
Rain.
By somebody
Purple
named
rain.
Prince. You should listen to it.
Crackle pain.
And that reminds me, I actually have a sound of rain for you.
Okay, wait
Take
there.
my rain.
Rain.
I even have rain for you guys.
Woo!
Oh.
Wow. That sounds like you're
All right, what color should we do? Should we do more pink?
Yeah.
Make some more purple rain?
What color do you want?
Purple blue too. Whoa!
Red?
Whoa! It looks like my night light.
Yeah, it does kind of look your name.
It looks like my night light.
So that's our experiment today. I hope you guys get a chance to try it at home too. It's just water and shaving cream. And if you don't have shaving cream, you can use ice. And you can use food coloring, or I actually put my food coloring in some water so I didn't use so much of it. But you can go straight from your little food coloring drops if you have them at home. If you don't have these, you can also be a little crazy and actually just pour some in there.
Mix it around.
It's just a little bit harder to control for the kids that way.
What?
You ready?
Can
No.
I do it too?
We can try it. Hold on.
What do you guys think?
Cool.
Celia's already trying it. Let's look.
I need to use one like this is.
I don't think we have food coloring or shaving cream. More.
If you don't have shaving cream, you can use ice.
Look, Vasily, look.
And if you don't have food coloring, you can use paint and just mix it with water to make it thinner.
Okay.
That would work too. You just want it to be the consistency of water.
Okay, we can try that.
A lot of water and a couple drops of paint or something like that. All right. Very cool, Vasily. I'm so proud that you did that so quickly.
Want another color?
All right. What do you think, Jack?
Cool.
Cool? You gonna try it at home?
Yeah.
I hope so. I hope you can.
I'll try that home too.
You're gonna try it at home too? That sounds like an excellent plan. All right. Well, that is our science today. And I think I already forgot what we're doing tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Anybody remember? My note is hiding. Oh, tomorrow we're gonna draw. Something cool. Last time we drew Mickey Mouse. We'll probably draw one of Mickey Mouse's friends.
Blue? I think blue will show up. Good.
All right. So tomorrow brings paper and pencil, and we'll draw another Disney friend. Okay.
Miss Sara.
All right, everybody. I love you guys. I will see you all very, very, very soon. Okay.
Say bye and thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.